Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Z-Library. As you may already know, Z-Library is blocked in several countries. If you are in a country that blocks Z-Library and try to access the website, you will see an error message like this one. Your internet service provider prevents you from accessing the site. Want to access Z-Library? No problem, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before I show you how to unblock and access Z-Library, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications if you enjoy this type of content. This will mean a lot to me and help me create even more useful videos. So, how can you unblock and access Z-Library? The answer can be summed up in one word: ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone or tablet that allows you to change your IP address. Once ExpressVPN is activated, your real IP address will be hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. Let's say you are in a country where Z-Library is blocked and want to access it. You can simply use ExpressVPN to hide your IP address, preventing your internet service provider from seeing which website you visit. It will no longer be able to stop you from accessing Z-Library. First, click here. You can either choose one of the recommended locations or access the full list by clicking here. There are many countries available: the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, just to name a few. These are all locations you can virtually connect from. Simply select a location. I recommend using a location where Z-Library is unlikely to be blocked. Let's pick Iceland. I click on Iceland, then here, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. There we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Iceland. My IP address has been replaced with the IP address of a VPN server located in Iceland. If I go to this page, you can see I now have an Icelandic IP address. Then just refresh the page and you will have access to Z-Library. I showed you how to do this from a computer, but it works exactly the same on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are very similar. As you've seen, to unblock Z-Library, you need ExpressVPN. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/express or click the link below this video. ExpressVPN is one of the very best VPNs on the market today. It can unblock any website, including Z-Library, as you just saw. ExpressVPN has thousands of servers in 105 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. You can use it on up to 10 devices at the same time. No speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-log policy. It's highly effective for bypassing firewalls, geo-blocks and censorship. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it only costs $3.49 per month, cheaper than a cappuccino at Starbucks. It's the equivalent of 11 cents per day, a ridiculously low price, considering all the benefits a VPN like ExpressVPN offers. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to hide your IP address and prevent your internet service provider from seeing which sites you visit. Once your IP address is hidden, they can no longer block your access to Z-Library. All you have to do is choose a location from the list of countries and click this button. That's it. It is that simple. Note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, simply contact their customer support and ask for it. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 30 days of signing up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because ExpressVPN provides many other benefits such as private browsing and downloading, access to more content, improved connection security, avoiding bandwidth throttling, saving money and much more. Don't forget, with our link, you'll get 73% off and 4 months free, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free for you. There is another VPN that also lets you unblock and access Z-Library, Proton VPN. Proton VPN is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN with more than 15,000 servers in 126 countries. Like ExpressVPN, Proton VPN allows you to hide your IP address and therefore unblock Z-Library. Proton VPN is available on Windows, macOS, iOS and Android, and you can also use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. So, If ExpressVPN doesn't suit you, I recommend using Proton VPN. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/proton or click the link below this video. Proton VPN's price is also very low, only $2.49 per month. That's just 8 cents per day. Proton VPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no limits, and request a refund if you wish. That's it for today. You now know how to unblock and access Z-Library from anywhere in the world. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. Thank you and see you next time.